Next topic is deployment models of cloud. So basically it means how cloud services are made available to users, right? So in deployment models of cloud, we have three types: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. So these are the deployment models of cloud. So when it comes to public cloud, okay, public cloud. So it is owned and operated by third-party cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, where the resources are shared among multiple users. Let's take that's the same biryani shop. If I need a biryani shop, I need to host from their servers to my users. So I'll rent. So I'll give money and I'll rent rent the services from them. So it is what public cloud. So depending on third-party cloud providers. Okay, let me give a use case. A startup wants to launch a website quickly, like I said, a biryani shop or a clothing shop, whatever it is. Instead of buying that, so they use simply a service, Amazon Web Service, which is AWS EC2, the public cloud, to host their site, and S3, something which is the same Amazon, to store images. Our work only is to pay and rent the services, and if we don't need, and we don't need to pay. That is called public cloud in simple terms, right? Okay, then let us talk about a private cloud. Private cloud, it is not coming. Okay, private cloud. So private cloud is also a cloud computing model where the entire cloud infrastructure is dedicated to a single organization, which means in day one we saw about a physical infrastructure. Means in on-premises, in their companies, they will build their servers, storage, networking, and every other thing. The same in company, they will build their in their environment. They will build within the organization. They will build the data centers to everything, and they will maintain it. This is called the private cloud. And basically, cloud environment used exclusively by only one organization, like in the on-premise environment. So they build their servers, everything only to secure their data. Like some sensitive data should be stored in their cloud, and they don't need to rely on some cloud providers. For them, they choose private cloud. Example, VMware vSpheres. So they construct their own cloud in their on-premise environment. Like if you take a use case, a government agency that handles confidential data builds a private cloud on their premises, ensuring data don't leave the secure infrastructure and meet regulatory compliance. Like what is it? The agency should not rely on some third-party vendor, so they build their own cloud, own private cloud. And the third one is hybrid cloud. In the name itself, hybrid, public plus private. They work together to give a hybrid cloud. Means, let's take. So I owe a company. In that company. So I have some sensitive data and some users data and some normal, what I can say, less security dependable data, right? So these kind of data I have in my company. So what I will do? So I'll try to secure the data by building a on-premise environment, which is a private cloud for me, right? And some data, like some data related to company, so I'll put in a public cloud like AWS or Azure or what I can say Google. So sensitive data also secured and my other data also secured in their cloud premises, and secure data and sensitive data is secured in my cloud premises. So this both combined act as a hybrid cloud. So example Netflix. So some the sensitive user data it will be stored in their private cloud, and to stream their video services they use Amazon's web services. That's it. So simple use case: healthcare company, they store their patient data in private cloud, and uses AWS, Azure, some other cloud providers to run the AI models, practicing health risks. It's basic, right? Private and public. So these are all about the, what I can say, deployment models of cloud. Yes.